How do you pronounce these? Name originally from French. So for reference, in French in France it's said as Arsenault with silent LT at the end, just like Renault or Renault, the car brand name Arsenault. Arsenault, you could say it Arsenault. How do you pronounce these? Name originally from French. So for reference, in French in France it's said as Arsenault with silent LT at the end, just like Renault or Renault, the car brand name Arsenault. Arsenault, you could say it Arsenault. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.